next question, should I pay off debt before buying a house?
So again, I hate to say it, the answer is it depends. So the mortgage person, obviously, that you're working with will talk about your debt to income ratio, or DTI as they call it. And so in some cases, that's going to be a good idea to pay off the debt so that your debt to income ratio improves. From a credit scoring standpoint, paying your credit cards down below 10% will help improve your score. That way you'll get a better mortgage.
Excellent. So it's a combination of the overall balance of your credit cards, keeping that under 10%, and then your debt to income ratio.
That's correct, but please understand that income is not a factor in your credit score. So if you make $30,000 a year or you make $3 million a year, you can still have an 850 credit score. Income is not one of the things that are factored into credit scores.
Great info. Thank you.